You need to know how to handle God. Because if ungazi, you see, electricity iyasilayidela lezinto, isishayela lezinto, isicharge amafoni ngayo. But if ungayi-approacha ngendlela engathandi ungafa. It doesn't mean ukuthi when you see someone performing miracles, uyamazi uNkulunkulu. There's a possibility you may not have the gift to perform miracles, but you have an experience with God. Aaron was performing miracles, was on the same position with Moses. But Aaron did not know the God of Moses. Let me have an intimate relationship with you. May I penetrate your essence. Mangifunyane right deep down, ngiphakathi. Izinto zomhlaba zingakwazi ukungifinyelela ngoba ngiphakathi kwalokho wena uyikho. I want to know you. Sugar on the bottom of a mountain. Uyadlalwa on the bottom of a mountain. Khuphuka. Bakhonza ithiko at the bottom of a mountain. Khuphuka. Bayazondana at the bottom of a mountain. Khuphuka. There is division at the bottom of a mountain. Khuphuka. Khuphuka, Moses. Kuyahletshwana phansi at the bottom of a mountain. Khuphuka. How hungry are you for the presence of God? How hungry are you, church? There is a place where God is.